Hello, this is Farik and hope you are doing well in your life. So this is me sharing my journey. Back in 1893, Swami Vivekananda delivered his legendary speech in Chicago with the powerful words,
Sisters and brothers of America,
that moment was all about the harmony between people. But when I look back at myself today, I feel like that I need to build that harmony within me first. So that's why this vlog is all about my own root cause analysis. As part of this series, I always open the envelope report and here's what I found. So for the spiritual, I again failed to recite the Shivtandam Stotram. Consistency is missing. Physical, out of 30 days, I went to 2 days at gym. Energy and discipline were not there. Then professional, I rate myself at 50% for the professional thing. And for the personal and mental thing, I didn't check Notion regularly. I also didn't reflect my thoughts. In short, I built the system, but I didn't live inside it. So this is my root cause analysis. To understand this better, I drew a fishbone diagram of myself. Normally, this tool is used in companies to find causes of problems, but this time the company was me. The bonds break down like this, like spiritual missed practices, lack of discipline, physical only 2 days of workout, poor energy habits, professional overwhelming workload, increase like incomplete tasks, and so on. When I looked at it, the picture was clear. The effect is unhappiness, but the causes are spread across the habits, mindset, and systems. So far, I've realized that somewhere in my past, my intentions weren't pure. Even when people, places, and situations were right, I felt like I was killing the vibe. Maybe surrounding energy was fine. Maybe surrounding energy was fine, but my own energy was the disruptor. That's the hard truth, and that is something I want to work on. There is a saying from Bhagavad Gita that explains how negativity spread like a chain. It goes like this. From anger comes delusion. From delusion comes forgetfulness. From forgetfulness comes destruction of intellect. And when intellect is destroyed, we are ruined. It's the same in life. What you intend becomes what you think. What you think becomes what you speak. What you speak becomes what you do. If the intentions at the start is not aligned, the whole chain leads to poor outcomes. And that's exactly what I've been experiencing till now. In management terms, this is like bullwhip effect. A small misalignment at the start creates a much bigger distortion downstream. Or like system digestion time. If I overload myself with too many tasks without first digesting the system, the result is chaos. That's why I think I should allocate fewer tasks for now, get used to the system, and then gradually scale up. For example, instead of trying to handle fire club, assignments, job, and personal reflection all at once, I need to pace myself and reflect more deeply. So here's my learning. Even if I don't do every task perfectly, my responsibility is to bring the right energy and right joyfulness. If I am joyful, my energy will be vibrant and it will uplift the people and work around me. That's what festival like Navratri remind us. The importance of joy, rhythm, and shared energy. In Garba, you might miss a step, but if your energy is right, the circle keeps moving beautifully. See you in the next board meeting. Till then.
मारी रिधि दे सिद्धि दे अष्टनामे निधि दे वंश वृद्धि दे बागबानी हृदय में ज्ञान दे चित्त में ध्यान दे अभय वरदान दे शंभु रानी दुख को दूर कर सुख भरपूर कर आशा संपूर्ण कर दास जानी सजल सुहित दे अने कुटुंब प्रीत दे अने जंग जीत दे मां भवानी ए जंग जीत दे मां भवानी बोल